So here's Cleaner AI app photo cleanup. So let's just check it out. So just double click to install it. You can see it's in the top charts in utilities, built by this famous studio, which also built some other apps. Clean up phone in no time, optimize storage, delete duplicates, swipe to keep or delete, clean your inbox, compress videos, clean, optimize, and secure your phone with Cleaner AI. Say goodbye to clutter and wasted storage. Cleaner AI is a ultimate app to clean, organize, and optimize your phone effortlessly. Whether you need to delete duplicates, merge contacts, or secure private files, Cleaner AI helps you to take control of your storage with powerful tools. So there are a bunch of apps in these categories. I don't think you need many apps. You just need to select one good app and probably upgrade, especially if you have like an older phone where it's always being cluttered. And then there's 7-day free trial. I don't know how it works. You can allow notifications, and basically how it works, that it just says how much storage you can reclaim by deleting how many files. So what it does, it can remove similar photos from you. So for example, you might have similar photos, not duplicates, this is different, but similar. For example, I sometimes take 5 photos of the same thing just to be sure. I don't know why I'm doing that, but you can do that. And here, as you can see, I have 2 similar photos of the sea. And if you delete all of these similarities, you can save 150 megabytes, for example. And then you can have similar videos, similar screenshots, and then you can have chat photos. Then video organizer. So I have a lot of screenshot videos, obviously. So that's the idea. And a lot of videos, it can save you gigabytes and gigabytes of data. So that's just the photo swiping. Then there is email cleaner. You can sign in with Google and clean your contacts and duplicate emails and all of that. Then you can clean up your duplicate contacts. Usually that doesn't clean that much data, but still makes more order in your contacts. Then you can compress some of the things. If you don't want to delete those, you can just compress it. And then charging, you can add charging animation. So that's the idea. And then you can just see that there is free trial, which they just enabled for you like that. And then you can just do it like that and upgrade, or just buy lifetime for $40. That's the idea. You can then just sign in, and that's basically what it is.